Hello guys, welcome back to Ankita's kitchen, and today we are going to make this refreshing drink, that is Mojito. Let's quickly get it started. Here I have taken a glass. To that we'll add some lemon wedges, and after that with the help of a pestle I'm going to just squeeze out the lemon juice. आपको इसका भरता नहीं बनाना है, just squeeze out a little bit. And then finally we'll add some mint leaves. इसको भी we'll just crush it a little bit. थोड़ा सा ही crush करना है. We just need the flavor from the mint leaves. उसके बाद मैंने डाला है lemon juice and then a pinch of salt, and then we'll add some ice cubes. उसके बाद मैं डाल दूँगी स्प्राइट, दैट इज़ अ कोल्ड ड्रिंक. अगर आप स्प्राइट यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं देन यू कैन यूज़ सोडा, एंड इन दैट केस यू विल हैव टू ऐड शुगर. तो आप अपने हिसाब से देख लीजिए. एंड फाइनली विल गिव इट अ गुड whisk and our mojito is ready at home. We'll garnish it with some mint leaves and a lemon slice and enjoy the drink. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.